So this week I had 3 trades, and out of 3 I managed to get 2 wins and a single loss. So let me take you through my trading week. So on Monday I didn't have any setup, so I decided to stay disciplined and to stay patient until my setup shows up. So I just decided to stay out of the market and maybe wait for the next day and see if I'll get a setup. So on Tuesday I spotted a very clean setup on GBPUSD, and let me show you the breakdown and the details.
So guys, this was my first trade on last week. So my first trade was on GBPUSD. You can see it here. My main setup was on the 4-hour time frame. So, and I used my 15 minutes chart to just enter this market. So we had everything confirmed. We had a very clear break of structures. We also had a very clear liquidity and a very huge FVG over here. And this one here was our OB or our buy zone. So price came in, tap us in, and then played around here, and then flight back all the way to our TP. So this was a 1:2 risk to reward. So I had risked 50% and I just made I had risked 1% and I made 2% on this particular trade. So my second trade was on USDCHF, which I took on I took it on Friday, but I had spotted the setup on Thursday. So it's how it was looking. So the main setup was on the 1-hour time frame, and I used the 5 minutes time frame to just enter the market. This is how it was looking. We also had a very clear break of structure here and a very nice FVG here, and also a very good liquidity here, and this point here was the target. So price came and tapped us in and then dropped all the way, almost hitting my tipping. Remember guys, on Friday we had news on CPI on USD. So price came and almost hit my TP and then started to reverse back here. So I closed my trade around here. I was targeting 1:4 on this particular trade. Yeah, but price didn't come to my area. So I ended up closing my trade to with a profit of around 132 USD. That's around 2.5 1:2.5 RR. So that was it. Until now, price I just closed not hitting the take profit. So let me show you my last trade, which was on BTC. So the main setup was on 4-hour, and therefore I used 15 minutes chart to enter the market. So this is how it was looking. So we also had everything very clear. So we had a very nice FVG here, and also multiple break of structures, and also a very nice liquidity here. And this one here was our OB, our side zone. So price came and tapped us in and then took us out immediately. So I had taken a risk of 1% on this trade, and I ended up losing it. So that was it for the last week. It was a nice week with 2 wins and a single loss. Yeah, let's see how next week is gonna play out. So yeah, let's keep pushing, let's keep moving, guys.
So that is how my week has been, guys. So I have been trading my challenge account and maybe trying to pass this one, but at the start of this month I was in a very big drawdown. Remember guys, I was risking 2% per trade, so I ended up losing 3 trades in a row. So my account was back to 4700. So I just decided to draw my risk up to 1%. So I now started risking 50 USD per trade. So that is what I have been doing this week. So I was able to recover around 4%. Now I'm in a drawdown of only 2%. So my account now, sorry, my account now is sitting at around 4900. So I'm also going to be risking 1% this week until I come out of drawdown, and maybe from there I'm going to be tracing back to my to risking 2% on every trade I take. So yeah, that's it for this week. I just wish you guys a comfortable next week, and I just hope everything is going to be okay. So see you guys on my next video. Yeah, bye bye for now.